Morning. It's raining a lot. We were gonna do Lake Marion walk today, but like we've been walking for about 2 minutes and soggy. So what we're doing instead?
Just the waterfalls at the beginning of it.
The walk to the waterfalls will still be soggy.
That we've drove past twice because Chief Navigator got us lost.
I think I was doing the Cape or the Eye thing again on Google Maps. We're on our way back to the car. We will have to take everything off in the car.
At least we can.
Soggy.
And have a naked coffee.
Oh.
No, you might scold things.
No. I'm really soggy. My feet are warm though. I think my feet are dry.
I'm alright, only my hands and my legs.
Oh, are you alright? Let me see. You can't tell, so it's all the same colour. Wet.
My camera's very wet.
Mm.
I don't think the pictures will be very good.
Can you tell I'm wet?
Yeah. Can tell by the sadness on your face that you're wet.
So go ahead and leave it. I don't know what's on your mind, and there's no way I can fix it. But you're also leaving me behind. Just a few more hours, you'll be on your way, like dancing on a wire. Oh, how I try to make you stay. Won't you stay? Won't you stay? Won't you stay?
Some tight turns.
Tell me all your secrets, 'cause I already forgot. I need to be stronger for my weakness.
You didn't give him the eyes.
I saw you move when he flapped his wings.
Won't you stay?